Okay, guys, this is to remember. This is for me to remember that the best way to make profit is a top-down trading, the top-down analysis, and then looking for a precise entry in the shorter time frame after you see a real trend change, bias change, reversal, or a breakout. Or once you know which direction you possible to go, then you look for a setup, a signal clue, candle signal setup or breakout in the shorter term. So this is an example of pound newsy. It's a recent example. We're looking at a weekly chart, and as we can see, there is a breakout on a weekly chart of this area, of this whole area, and there's a reversal pattern. And we can just actually, I can put, all right, that's fine. I can put something here, a trend line, okay, horizontal line, right, whatever. Okay, so basically it's a fake in reverse, whatever you want to call it. It's a reversal pattern, and when it happened right here at 192 after it broke this area of 192. So as long as close below 192 over a daily chart, you can see that you can see that was a clear breakout around 191 and below. So after we've seen this, that price is closed below 192 on weekly and daily. When we go down, we can start going down to shorter time frame to look for a candle signal. And even before that, a great outside bar right here, since we're looking at even this area and price breaking out, going below 50 and pull back to 21 and break out. You can look at 8 hour. Again, a really great signal once price is already breaking, even if it was not even broken down below the trend line or previous low. Could always take this outside bar, and this is a very big fast moving pair, and this outside bar was just golden right here. Okay, so as you can see, this right here, it was just golden. Once your price come to this outside bar, this area, I mean, you can't really go wrong. Again, there's another really good candle here for 8 hour chart, which closed at 4 o'clock on Friday. 4 o'clock, oh no, 4 to 8, 4 to, this is a 4 to 12 on Monday, yeah, Monday. So Monday at midnight, close right there. Look at 6 hour chart. We have plenty of signals after the bias change and breakout reversals, outside bar, and if there was the most recent one, we can even go down as far as even we can start. I'm gonna look at everywhere this outside bar. Then we can look at 2 hour chart. Just looking for the very recent, and in the very recent we can go to this breakout on 1 hour, and this, and I can even go to 30-minute chart and see a really good setup, which is it looks really good in MetaTrader as well. This right here, bow and arrow. I mean, that's it, and that happened at 3 a.m. So, but even then, until this is 5 a.m. Even if 5 a.m. you would have caught it 5:30, 6. There's really good risk reward ratio, really good RR, somewhere catching around, let's say 530 to 6, and your RR is 184.24 to maybe 185, 200 pips, and then price, just, you never know, this thing can drop 184.25 to 184, 183.30, 100 right here, and another 150. So I mean, this pair is already supposedly grows a lot of pips. Anyway, this is this example of a recent looking at a big time frame, looking for a trend, possible direction, and going in a shorter time frame. Maybe I can see one other one in an area where I don't want to pick any. I want to pick maybe something like, okay, let's try dollar Mexican. So a dollar Mexican, a weekly chart, it's kind of uptrend, price open up, daily price was coming in this area of 21, even though we have, you know, three triple top showing here, three times rejection, but still, unless this is broken, unless this price closed below here or even below here, we really have still looking for a bias to the upside. So 12-hour, nothing here. I mean, let's go down to shorter time frame and see which direction. Well, right now we kind of have this, but let's see which is the easiest, shortest way. So yeah, look at this. So if we were already looking for an upside and price is bouncing around this area in a trap right now, here, it's, you know, this could have been a, you know, a outside bar. We could have taken this and then we got stopped out right here, but around 8 a.m. 8:30 price did a fake in reverse. So let's look at a 15-minute chart and see, was there a really good opportunity to do a short-term like a scalp in this dollar Mexican to make some nice day trading short. So if we had this highs and lows and this trend line coming down, and horizontal line right here, and let's say a horizontal line right here, as you can see, we would have just looked at easily this trap bounce up. Ooh, you know, this would have been a classic fake in reverse on 30-minute, because in 30-minute we have a down signal, so it's a blackjack, but then it closed above this and we can go down to 5-minute, look for an entry, and looks like there was right here. So around 8 a.m. price start to consolidate right here between 6 and 7, and then you have a breakout, and then you have a pullback right here. So you have a breakout and a breakout above the previous highs and the pullback to 21, and you can take either pullback, but this is a bow and arrow. You grab this right here, let's say wait for a candle to close, give you a good signal, either right here, stop is probably right around here, somewhere here. So if we grab this, let's say from where, okay, 20, 30, 70, and stop is 25.70, 100 pip stop, not 500 pip stop in this Mexican move. There will be a lot of pips up both side, and we're looking for like 1.5 at least. So 30, 70 to about 39. Okay, 30, 70, about 39. That's like 900. Yeah, about 1 to 2. So we can move this as soon as this here. Probably just put a stop right here. I would just put a stop right here. I like 2-3 pips below here. But this one would have been, might have been stopped out. So either way, 500 pip to make 900 pip. Yeah. 30, 31. Stop. Maybe just maybe 31, 27, 30, 27. So that's 400 pip stop, and we got 31 to 38, 700 pip. Yeah, it's a nice 1.5, a 1 to 2. And yeah, of course, price couldn't push but more than that, so some of it. Okay, that's it. Those are lots and lots of good trades. All around pound. We always knew that it's a short bias, pound on pound dollar. Just a quick look at it. Let's look at the weekly chart of pound dollar. Very, 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 very nice double top, breaking down, pulling back to weekly 21, making a blackjacks. But this can only trade like a sniper in a short term. Just go down to maybe 4 hour. See where the signal is. I mean, you have all this area where 4 hour you're just getting sell is shorting right here. Beautiful. That was November 15. Wow. And the price didn't go anywhere after this outside bar. It just stayed like that till December 10. Well, look, that's what the name of the game is. Sometimes you just leave a stop and wait, go away for a couple months and see what happened. So let's see what happened this morning. There's an amazing bow and arrow right here. And if you want to go and say, look, what's going on with this? Boom, boom, boom. As long as it's like crash right here, that's it. The game was over. 120. We could either take this or this. 126.60. Stop around here, maybe here. 100 pips and 126.60, 125.20. See how we could have caught it 30 minutes. Beautiful. 3 a.m. Taking at 6 around 6 o'clock. Thin bar, since the bias was always to the short side based on the weekly, based on the daily. Selling, boom, 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 boom. Problem is it was stuck right around here. Now it's short. Now what's gonna happen? Bias is short, so the only thing we can do is to look for this area right here. It's a congestion, but don't you think price can come to 121? Possibly. So we can keep being a sniper and looking for something like this and this. And as soon as we see this, boom, we're out. We're in. And we're out. That's it. Keep the video short. Top-down analysis. Check the bias from the bigger time frame. A bigger time frame breakout, reversal, support, resistance, U-turn, and then look for a signal on a setup on a shortest time frame down to 1 hour, 30 minute to 15 minute, and that's good enough. That's it.